Hello, everyone. Let's clean this muddy Disney car. It's really fun.
Where could he have gone? Oh, what do I do?
La 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 la. Maybe I drank too much.
Wow, that is a tight fit. Rhodey, we'll get you free. You ready?
How did they do it? These are the same ingredients as back home, but it tastes so good.
It's organic. Mater, let's go! You're on!
I thought it was just a preview and I didn't realize I was paying for it. PPS.
I get it. I get it. I know what needs to be done.
Then do it!
What? No.
Oh, thank you, Shannon. It was a great move. I was. Hey! Hey! Vito!
I tell you about talking to the accused.
To not do.
Well, quit your yapping and toad.
Ow.
Excuse me, pardon me.
Hey.
Coming through. Good to see you. My bad. Hey, Ricky, how's the kid? What's your...
Fred, can you move over? I want to get a look at that sexy hot rod.
Hey, McQueen, you all right? Listen, don't you worry, pal. You had a good run.
¿Qué les pasa? ¿Se dan por vencidos? ¡Ah! ¡Tras él!
Good jigger! Good jigger! Good jigger! I've been kind of lonely. Nobody.
As crop hoppers at.
I'm running on vapors. I need to land.
What are you doing out here with an empty tank?
Well, I thought.
Hey, Doc! Come look at this fellow on the radio. He looks just like you.
Well, sure you can, Mac. Look, it'll be easy. I'll stay up with you.
All night?
All night.
Implying that I switched out that rot gut excuse for alternative fuel with my all-natural.
Was McQueen's idea. He felt HUD would have wanted you to have it.
I love it.
Hot snot, we are back in business. Guido, Luigi, you're going up against professional pit crews, boys. You're gonna have...
I can't puff anymore. I can't chase the kite. I'm not the fastest engine on Sodor. I've broken my prom.
You are a sight for sore headlights! I'm so sorry I lost you, boss. I'll make it up to you.
Mac, I...
Tex, you've been good to me all these years. It's the least I could do.
Whatever happens, you're a winner to me.
It's really getting him into the zone!
He's so getting beat today.
Your next stop is the hospital! Whoa!
Don't worry, I'll bring you some flowers.
Style! Spinning dragon attack!
¿Alguien conoce a Rayo McQueen? Hoy que es el más veloz del oeste.
Not my turn, Stone. them as a single thing.
Oh, I'm gonna fix that!
You boys need to get your rusty tails down here. I created a drink in your honor.
Yeah, the rush.
Cochira, Dozo. Come with me, please, sir.
But I'm gonna miss my plane.
Right this way.
Mama! Don't worry, Mama. McQueen is very sad. I will.
Where are you? I can't even find you on my GPS.
I'm in this little town called Radiator Springs. You know Route 66?
Tomica, it's voice activated. But, you know, everything's voice activated these days.
What just happened?
Bruce, get your head in the race.
Wait. Tell her she's on a beach and all the little crappies have gone night.
Francesco, well, you to be far away from home is not easy.
Thank you for